G'day, Bobby, Tradie. Look, we just pulled over, the boys and I, and we're at, is it Gladys or Gladys's?
Gladys Dale.
Gladys Bakery and
Yarra Junction.
This is Yarra Junction, so yeah, we thought, why don't we try a pie here? So we've got one, and we're going to see, just take a look. We've got big wraps on the Gladys pies, haven't they?
They have, yeah, big reports.
Okay, so it's nice and deep and got a nice, nicely cooked. It's a good pie, round, big flavour. It's soft though, it's got a little bit of a soft pastry. Anyway, let's have a bite and see what it's like. Okay, well, look Smitty, this is what I look for. I look for a nice combination of meat and gravy. This is a bit congealed, it's a bit in a slab, it's all hard and together. It's not running at all.
Not much gravy.
No, the flavour's okay. I probably, we were sitting at a 5. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's a 5. Could possibly, if I keep eating, finish up at a 4. But, not bad, not bad. 5's the best it's going to get. See you at the next one.